This is the 2024 Hyundai Kona Limited, top of the line. The EPA range on this is 261 miles. All right, let's get into the video. First thing I'll show you guys is under the hood. Charging cable. Moving on to the back seats. It's got cool green accents. Forgot to show you guys the sunroof. Nice, opens up too. Alright. Moving on to the front seats. It has Bose audio. It's got seat heaters, heated steering wheel, and ventilated seats. There's your wireless phone charger. Show you guys the camera. Nice. Pretty cool. Really nice yellow accents. Pretty neat. All right, there you guys have it. That is our 2024 Hyundai Kona Limited, top of the line.